Hi, my name is Kevin Sousa. Welcome to my video. Allow me to share a little bit about myself. Way back in 1974, when I was 16 years old, my very first job was a busboy in a restaurant. However, two things frustrated me: being lorded over by a boss and not 100% in control of how much I could earn. Little did I know those frustrations were actually the catalyst to my desire to join my very first home business 2 years later in 1976 when I was 18 years old. However, I realized that I had a lot to learn because for the first few years, I failed miserably. But my dream of freedom was burning brightly in my heart. So I pressed on and I became a student of the home business profession. Mind you, this was all way before the internet was even born. My reasons for building income streams from home began with not wanting a boss controlling how much I can earn. Something that I call a realization value happened as I grew in knowledge and experience. I realized that I do this because I love people. When the internet was born, just before the year 2000, I decided to look for a way to help others and myself generate income from home online. In 2005, I found an inexpensive business that cost $10 per month, and it paid $1 per month in commissions down 5 levels. In 3 years, by 2008, I was earning enough from that business to retire from the job market at age 49 for the rest of my life. However, it took several years before I was able to actually find and connect with leaders who have integrity online, who eventually became my new mentors. Unfortunately, one of the biggest problems with online marketing is finding a company where the owners are honest, have a track record of their integrity, and who put affiliates first in everything they do. Well, back in 2016, which was 9 years ago as of this video, two trusted friends of mine decided that they also had enough with dealing with companies who changed the deal or lied to their affiliates or end up shutting down. Finally, my friends Mike and Paul had assembled, in my opinion, what's called the last honest business. So my wife and I joined them 9 years ago, and it's still going strong. Today, I coach, counsel, teach, train, and help people achieve their own goals online from home with the Home Business Academy. My mission is freedom through principle-centered leadership. So the Home Business Academy provides a helpful platform for people looking to solve the problems associated with building an online business from home, especially things like traffic, lead generation, conversions, which provide people with a monthly residual income. The Home Business Academy provides everything you need to build, market, and sell anything you want to online. At the Home Business Academy, we believe in providing quality, simplicity, and putting people first. The company donates a portion of their revenue to help feed starving children. Below is a link that takes you to the Home Business Academy. Check it out. You'll be glad you did. Well, this is Kevin Sousa. Thank you very much for listening to part of my story, and I hope you make it a wonderful day.